Today I'm reviewing the LOL Surprise OMG Sunshine Makeover doll, Bubblegum DJ, and she's all about mixing colors and style like she mixes beats. What makes Bubblegum DJ stand out is her color changing magic. Just bring her near sunlight, a window, or even cloudy outdoor light and watch the transformation. Her leg warmers turn purple with happy faces, her shoes change from white to bold purple, and pink details on her skirt come to life. It's fun to watch, and you can repeat it again and again just by changing the light. Her fashion is full of personality. She wears a furry denim top, a trendy skirt, and those standout leg warmers. She's poseable, has removable hands for easy outfit changes, and brings the energy with her bold bubblegum DJ vibe. If your kids love fashion dolls with surprises and interactivity, Bubblegum DJ brings the beats and the bold color shifts in one glam package.